Hello students, good morning. How are you all today? I hope you are doing great because we are working very hard for you all. I, Sabah Shahin, and of course you are familiar to me that I am your biology teacher. Welcome you again in this beautiful class. Today I will continue class 10th biology chapter number 1, that is life processes, where will be discuss about types of heterotrophs, nutrition in amoeba and human digestive system. So students, now let's get into the topic. Types of heterotrophic nutrition. One is saprotrophic, second is parasitic, third is holozoic. And now I will explain one by one each of them. Saprotrophic nutrition, in which an organism obtains its food from dead and decaying matter of the plants and animals. For example, fungi and bacteria. Next is parasitic, in which an organism obtains its food from to get live inside the organism, living organisms, or on their body without killing it. Next is, for example, Escherichia coli, which lives as a parasite inside the human intestine. And second is holozoic nutrition, in which an organism takes complex food by the process of ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. For example, humans, amoeba, etc. Now next is nutrition in amoeba. Students, with the help of this diagram, you can understand easily how amoeba obtain its food. Okay, step by step how amoeba obtain its food. And now I will explain it. We know that amoeba also shows holozoic mode of nutrition. Okay, and now we can see that how amoeba obtaining its food. Okay, firstly it localizes its food, then it forms cup shaped structure around the food particles, and we can also call it as pseudopodia. Okay, pseudopodia, that means false feed. Then foods are taken in the form of food vacuole. Okay, and there are the certain enzymes which are present in the cytoplasm, okay, are secreted into the food vacuole, which helps in the digestion. And after the digestion we have assimilation. Okay, and assimilation, by absorbing a food, amoeba get energy, and undigested food come near the cell membrane of the amoeba, then it breaks. Okay, it breaks, cell membrane will breaks down, and as undigested food thrown out of the amoeba body. So this is how nutrition takes place in amoeba. Now next we have human digestive system. Okay students, now you can see here human digestive system. With this diagram we can easily understand digestion in human body. Okay, it consists alimentary canal and certain digestive glands such as salivary gland, liver and pancreas are the digestive glands which helps in digestion. Okay, so firstly digestion begins from the mouth and end up at anus. Okay, food is broken down into the simpler smaller pieces by the tooth, and salivary gland, which is present inside the mouth, secrete certain enzymes such as amylase, which digest starch present in food. Okay, then food swallow and goes down into the esophagus, we call as food pipe, where the inner wall of the esophagus shows peristaltic movement, that means contraction and relaxation of the inner lining of the esophagus, through which food goes into the stomach. From the stomach, gastric juices secreted pepsin, HCl and mucus, which helps in the digestion. Okay, and also from there, digested food goes into the small intestine. Okay, and their food further broken down, and simple molecules of the food absorbed into the bloodstream and sent to the all parts of the body. Now next we have large intestine. Water is absorbed free remaining food, and in rectum, solid waste is thrown out of the body by the rectum. Okay students, you can see here by the rectum solid waste goes out through the out. So this is how we can easily understand the digestion in humans. From here you can write about the human digestive system in a very short way. Okay, and now students, it's time for the homework, and you all have to learn and write all these topics in your rough copy, and after the completion of the chapter 1 there will be a test for you all, so prepare it. With this I end my class today. Enjoy your day, keep on learning. Bye students, take care all of you.